Do you believe there is a life where it's just you and me and I? We don't need a word, we don't need a sign. It's only you and me and I. And do you believe there is a life where it's just you and me and I? We don't need a wait, we don't need a sign. It's only you and me and didn't know how much I would love Santa Barbara, never driven up, but I know that it's gotta be so beautiful. That's where you were born. Long brown hair that your mom doesn't like. You got a moon tattoo that you don't even hide. You're so unusual. Haven't met someone like you before. Wanna be that guy that's making it hard for you to sleep at night. I want you to call me when it's getting late. You could tell me anything. From time to time, you give me the smallest look behind your eyes, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. From night to night, it's taking you longer when you say goodbye, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. I've been carried away, trying to get inside your brain. And what do you know? Do you live alone? And do you pray? And do you believe there is a life where it's just you and me and I? We don't need a way, we don't need a sign. It's only you and me and I. From time to time, you give me the smallest look behind your eyes, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. From time to time, you give me the smallest look behind your eyes, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. From night to night, it's taking you longer when you say goodbye, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. Someone to have, someone to hold, somewhere to go when nights get cold. Somebody to love, somebody to be, someone to sweep you off your feet. Someone to have, someone to hold, somewhere to go when nights get cold. Somebody to love, somebody to be, someone to sweep you off your feet. That someone is me. That someone is me. From time to time, you give me the smallest look behind your eyes, and baby, it's almost like you need someone. I promise I can be someone. I never met you, but I wanted to invite you to the party. And you walked in with those green eyes, never stolen by nobody. And they flicker to the future. For a moment I could picture. Then you touch me and I come back, and we're talking on the staircase about your big dreams on the big screens. Out of Georgia now, you're lonely in this city, lying with me, and you're scared it's moving quickly. Oh, now you're crying, you're in pieces, cause the only love you've ever known is Jesus. I can feel it, oh I hate it out, the reason that you're in your head right now, while your world is spinning out. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown. Deep in dirty waters full of hope is down. Let me pull you out, let me hold you now, let me slow it down. Ain't it funny how it changes, how the future rearranges? I get nervous, oh I'm anxious, maybe loving you is dangerous. I could lose you like the others, only girl that's never let me is my mother. Oh I love her, and I know you probably hate it, but I'm in my head right now. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown. Deep in dirty waters full of hope is down. Let me pull you out, let me hold you now, let me slow it down. When you're on the ground and you're crying, I'm trying to slow it down. When you're spinning round in your I'll help you slow it down. For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl he sent my way. But I know the things he gives, he can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up and I'm thinking I just might lose it all. Please things that I've got. I tried to hide it through the silence while I played along. I'm welling up behind my eyelids when I'm holding on to the rage so badly I hate it. And I wish that all of
No. That doesn't feel right. Maybe speed it up.
yeah. And it's been me the whole damn time. I should really try to calm my mind and see things from your side. Or maybe you can cry. Go ahead and ruin someone else's life. Cry. Go find somebody else so I can sleep at night. Go ahead and ruin someone else's life. And I'm tired of letting someone get the best of me, so go ahead and cry. Go ahead and ruin someone else's. I started driving through the hills, told me to come and get you. No words convey the way it felt for me to finally hold you in my arms just long enough to know. Know every word you're gonna say before you even think it. But somehow every joke you make is funnier each time around. Your laugh is such a perfect sound. These butterflies lived a million lives to say. I swear I've known you longer than forever and a day, forever and a day. Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons. You took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Happened pretty quickly, jumping in with both feet I go, though I can't see nothing below. So ready to give up my soul. Moving past the boundaries into water so deep and cold. How could I possibly know which way the river would flow? Why do I try? After I tasted your wine, you had me drunk in my mind. But I should have told you I'm getting sober. Even if I said that you felt so good at the time. Oh, tell me where the love went. Thought that we were something. Coulda, woulda, should been. Everything that we seem to be. Was it imaginary? Like we never danced in the dark, never kissed in the park. When I gave you my heart, you just ripped it wide open. but you wasted your time. I was just drunk in my mind. That is driving you crazy. That you thought you could save me, but you wasted your time. After I tasted your wine, you had me drunk in my mind. But I should've told you when it was over. Even if I said that you felt so bad in the time, I was just drunk in my mind. In